Welcome to the HomeSuite video tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to import multiple leads and add individual leads to the CRM. To begin, click the hamburger menu on the upper right of the CRM dashboard and then click CRM. Once you're on the dashboard, click Import on the left navigation to open the Leads Import page. In addition to brief instructions for how to upload your leads, the page also displays a list of required and optional fields for your leads spreadsheet file. You can download a pre-formatted spreadsheet file from this page, which we're going to do for this demonstration. After you download the file, you can either open it in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You can see in our example that we have pre-populated the columns. When you fill out your own, remember, the columns that are required to be filled in are first name, last name, email address, and status. The status must be in all lowercase letters, otherwise you will get an error when you try to upload it. It's also important to note that special characters like commas, apostrophes, and dashes are not allowed. So for instance, cities like Lee Summit will need to have the apostrophe removed when their name is entered. Once you have entered all of your leads information into the file, it's time to save. It's important to note that if you are working in Google Sheets, you can save this file as a normal CSV. But if you are working in Excel, you will need to save it as an MS-DOS CSV file in order for it to upload correctly in the CRM. Let's switch back over to the CRM so that we can upload the file we just created. From the Leads Import page, click the plus sign in the upper right corner. When prompted, click Choose File and navigate to the CSV file you created. Click Open and then click Upload. You will see a green banner at the top of the page indicating that your file has successfully uploaded. If you run into problems or your files fail to upload, send a copy of them along with an explanation of the error you get to HomeSuite@kansascityhomes.com. Now, let's move on to manually adding individual leads to the CRM. Just click Add New and then click Lead from the drop-down menu. On this page, you will add all of your leads information. You can input the level of heat to assign the lead, and even change the lead status from the default setting of Accepted if necessary. Now you'll enter your lead's contact and login information. While you can assign a password when you enter the lead's email address, we don't recommend doing so. Instead, go ahead and enter their email address and just leave password blank. When you send your lead one of the welcome emails from the CRM, you can include a link with instructions for setting their password when they first log in. You can add even more details about your lead, like notes and remarks, alternative contact methods, search preferences, etc. When you're all finished, click Save at the bottom of the page and your new lead is now added to the CRM. That's all you need to know to import and add leads into your HomeSuite CRM. If you have additional questions, please contact HomeSuite@kansascityhomes.com. Thanks for watching.